Cook chickpeas this way, the result is amazing. To a saucepan, add Spanish sausage and sauté for around 5 minutes. Once it starts sizzling, add sliced onions and garlic and sauté for another 3 minutes, or until the onions is caramelized. Then add chopped tomato, carrot, and bay leaves mixed together. Add sliced mushrooms and continue cooking for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add seasoning cubes. Some spices, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and curry powder. Mix together and add pre-cooked chickpeas. Coconut milk. Salt. I added curry powder, chili flakes, and the remaining coconut milk. Mix together and allow to simmer on low heat for around 15 minutes. Enjoy!